Factoring application. The perimeter of a right triangle is 120 centimeter. If the length of the hypotenuse is 50 centimeter, find the length of two other sides. So let's say we have this right triangle here. And let the sides of this triangle be A and B. This is A and this is B. And we have hypotenuse of 50 centimeters. So this is 50 centimeter for us. When we say that the perimeter is 120 centimeter, that means sum of these three sides is 120 centimeter, correct? So we get our equation as A plus B plus 50 equals to 120 centimeter, right? So from here we can have one relation where we can relate A with B, right? So we can write here as A equals to 120 minus 50 minus B, or 120 minus 50 is 70, 70 minus B, right? So that is one of the equations which we are going to use. So whenever there are two variables, we need two equations to solve. The other equation we can get from Pythagorean theorem, right? This is a right triangle, and therefore A square plus B square is C square. So that gives us second equation, which is A square plus B square equals to C square. Now C square is 50. A we can write in terms of B, right? Which is 70 minus B. In that case, we'll get one equation which will have just one variable. So we can do that now. 70 minus B, we are substituting from equation 1 into this equation. We get 70 minus B whole square plus B square equals to hypotenuse 50, 50 square. So that is the equation with which we are going to work now. So let's expand 70 minus B whole square. So 70 square is 4900. So we get 4900. 2 times 70 is 140 with minus sign, 140B, and minus B. B square is B square plus B square equals to 2500. So we get 2500 here. So that is the equation. Now let's rearrange this and then solve using factoring. Remember that. So we have an equation here. Let's write down combine these terms. B square plus B square is 2B square. So we get 2B square minus 140B. And then we have 4900 minus 2500, so plus 4900 minus 2500 equals to 0. That becomes the equation. Let's combine these terms and then write down the equation. We can also divide by 2 later. Let me just first, with simplification, we'll do later. So 49 minus 25 is 24, so we get plus 2400. We can factor out 2 at present, right? So we can factor 2, so we get B square minus 70B plus 1200 equals to 0, right? So now what two numbers, when you multiply, you get 1200, and when you add, you get minus 70. Well, since we need positive when you multiply, both numbers should be of same sign, and their sign has to be negative, because when you add, you get 70. So numbers are 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So the numbers are 40 and 30, right? So here we can write this as B minus 40 times B minus 30 equals to 0. So that gives us two possible solutions for B. One is B equals to 40. The other one is B equals to 30. Now we can find A from here using equation 1. If B is 40, then what is A? A is 70 minus 40. 70 minus 40, that is indeed 30, right? And if B is 30, then what is A? A is 70 minus 30, which is 40. So basic combination of A and B is 30 and 40, correct? So that is the combination. So find the length of two sides. So the answer is, sides are, don't forget the units, centimeter, 40 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So that is how we can solve these kinds of questions using factoring. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.